welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm so super excited to share this video with you because this look is basically inspired by my favorite actress, which is Priyanka Chopra. So she wore this look basically in her reception and I completely fell in love with it the moment I saw it on the internet. I was like, I knew that I'm gonna recreate this look for sure, though it took me a little time, but that's okay. So finally I'm here with this video, and the best part about this look is that you can create it by just using drugstore products, so you don't have to spend a lot of amount to create this look. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a minute and subscribe and hit that notification bell too, so that you're notified every time I post a video. And yeah, let's just get started. Since I don't really want this video to be super long, I've already prepped my face. So in case you want to know what products I've used, please go ahead and check the description box. So moving on to primers, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. So for my foundation today, I'm mixing my two current favorite foundation, which is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Desert Beige and Maybelline New York Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Sun Beige. So when it comes to concealer, I think I love this concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable 20. Let me tell you guys, I love this concealer otherwise also when I'm wearing like no makeup look. This is just perfect. Also, to set my face, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me range. It's their finishing powder in the shade Light Medium. This is really incredible, guys, for everyday use. Before I fill in my brows, I'm quickly gonna brush them in with the spoolie. For my brows, I'm using my Benefit Car Brow in the shade 05. So once I'm done filling in my brows, I'm gonna take some concealer and quickly clean all the edges or anything which is spread outside to make my brows even more clean and clear. Moving on to eyes, I'm using my PAC Cosmetics Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I think this is like a must-have for every makeup lover because you get those perfect transition shades which you might need to create any basic look or to have that everyday look as well. So I would highly recommend this one to you guys. Dust off all that baking. Now I'm taking this silver glitter from my Maybelline Blush Nude palettes and applying it halfway to my eyelids. Make sure that you press and then drag the glitter so that you get the best possible pigmentation and avoid any sort of fallouts. Going back with the same brown color, and I'm making sure that the glitter and the crease color are blended in well and there are no harsh lines at all, so that everything also looks pretty seamless. So when it comes to kajals, I really trust this Plum Kohl kajal to fill in my lower lash line because it just stays there, guys. I mean, I get little teary eyes or watery eye here and there, but this kajal will not smudge if you are going out for a party or you're planning to dance. So this is the most safest one to go for. So if you see Priyanka's picture closely, I think she was wearing individual lashes, but I'm gonna go with the normal lashes with band. The one I'm using is from PAC Cosmetics in the number 213. So for contouring, I'm gonna take my Nykaa Contour and Conquer, and I'm not gonna do a heavy contouring, guys, for this look because I think even Priyanka just had a little bit of contouring just to define her jawline and her cheekbones. So nothing crazy. So I'm gonna keep it to powder contouring and giving some shape to my nose because my nose is pretty broad, so I had to. Using this Nykaa highlighter, which is Gliterrati, and honestly guys, I really like this for everyday wear because it's not at all chunky, so you can definitely give it a try for this one. So for my lips, I'm first gonna quickly line them and then fill in using some Nykaa latest launch Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Cocoa 17, and then topping it up with some Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Call Me Scarlet. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you guys. So if you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below if you want me to create more such looks. I will definitely create more inspired looks like this. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one.